As a final thought, not all is lost for the very best content writers. I believe that some human input will still be required to augment even the very best AI content. However, these positions for humans will be very few and only open to the very best of you, and will most likely focus more on editing AI content rather than a full spectrum of research and content production. But for the time being, keep this in mind. Research by Gartner pointed to the need of having specialized people checking AI-generated copy in areas like finance, healthcare, and others. This is because these industries are highly regulated, which means that people need to be specialized in, let's say, finance, editing, and AI. You will also be able to build specific applications or chatbots on top of foundation models to train on your own data, which is more specific and curated. Azure OpenAI is one example that enables this personalization workflow already. And of course, Google Cloud, Amazon, IBM, and others offer similar functionality. I will leave you with an analogy that will hopefully make you reflect even more on the role of AI in your industry. Can you remember the busy trade floors in the 90s? They felt and behaved like they owned the world and could never be replaced. And yet, if you now walked into a trading floor, you'll be shocked at how quiet the place is. Just a few people around, maybe focused on maintenance of the place rather than trading. As for trading, well, algorithms fight against each other in making decisions within milliseconds based on huge pools of historical and live data. As for people who still think they have a chance at it, they resort to trading platforms like eToro. They go to the practices learned in various courses and books on trading and are completely oblivious to the fact that they will never really be able to match the speed and accuracy of trading algorithms. Of course, high-level traders are still in demand, not because of trading skills per se, but due to inside information and relationships. But so many traders lost their jobs, and so many content writers will do too. I will leave you with a final thought. Research by Gartner predicts that within the next 12 months, Gen AI will democratize insights and content creation. But the craziest prediction is that in the next 3 years, 75% of digital marketing operational staff will move from production to more strategic activities. But let's be honest, not all the so-called production people will or can be strategists or managers. As argued already, many of them will lose their jobs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next session.